Welcome to Summit Services HVAC, your premier HVAC contractor in Bluffton, South Carolina. We pride ourselves on delivering top-quality service for all your HVAC needs. Whether it's repair, replacement, or installation, we've got you covered. Our team is dedicated to ensuring your home's comfort and efficiency year-round. Need your ductwork cleaned or repaired? We have the expertise you can trust. We understand the importance of maintaining clean dryer vents for safety and efficiency. Trust us to work diligently to save you money on your home energy consumption. With us, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Contact us today at 843-836-2653 for expert HVAC services you can rely on. Visit callsummitservices.com to learn more about our comprehensive HVAC solutions. Let us be your trusted partner in keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Experience the difference with our professional and courteous team. Don't let HVAC issues disrupt your comfort. Call us today. Your comfort is our business. Summit Services HVAC, your local HVAC experts.